Okay everyone, today I'm very happy because in this video I want to share to all of you about my design inspiration from my AI prompt from the one of AI platform with a dream tiny home with interior and exterior visualization. It's not usual design because of the color vibes is amazing and captivating enough with green smooth concept, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you by watch this video. Okay everyone, let's watch this video. Okay, this is about the dream tiny home with a soft green color. Anyway, this is a combination color between the wood material and soft green color because usual tiny home is very common about color. It's maybe for the conventional tiny home is just using the wood and white color or just black color, but in this video I want to share to all of you about this soft green combination of the color to the tiny home. And we can see about this one of the interior example, which is this is my prompt result from one of AI platform, and we can see for the second design like this about the color combination between the white color and the soft green color and the woody color. It's so pretty beautiful, and it's not boring object of the interior as we can look from this, because this color show us about the livable, the life vibes of the interior. So the interior is not just a monotonic color vibes and not just a monotonic color grading anyway. Then we can see about the furniture and cabinet arrangement and cabinet layout from this interior and window arrangement. Then we can look from the another side of this interior. We can look for the furniture layout, such as the cooker and another cabinet, another shelf right there, and it has just a little bit green color on this interior, as we can look for this third design of this interior sample. And this is so many option from the combination color from the green color, wood color and white color of this tiny home interior. And it's not only about the furniture, but it's bring the vegetation to the interior to make it life vibes. Okay, and then for the another side we can look for the extraordinary interior. I mean, it's just my opinion, so if you have another opinion about this interior, so you can just type on the commenter below. And I was impressed about the color combination of it with the soft green, and this is extraordinary color, but it's make impressive one, and not too strong, but it's so soft and makes the different vibes of the interior itself. And even if this room small, but it could accommodate a lot of functions such as a cabinet, TV, sofas, and many more shelf and cabin. Anyway, then we can look for the another exterior design of the soft green color. We can look for the combination of the green color, soft green color, and the wood material, and the some little bit industrial material such as a wheel on the tiny home, as we can look from the outside. And I like this exterior because of the model of this tiny home is very impressive with alignment of the roof and configuration of the roof and terrace area and semi indoor courtyard. Anyway, then it has some laser area on the semi outdoor on the balcony space over there, as we can look from the exterior side like this. Then we can look for this design. It's just a simple shape. I think maybe it's from the container box. I mean, it from the container box. Then the user can modify it of the container to be this long tiny home, but it's small and tiny, and can give and the builder or the user can give the wheels on the bottom of the tiny home and just set the entrance on the white area side with natural wood and little bit of glass material over there on the entrance. And I think it's just creative idea about the tiny home on the container with a beautiful color with soft green itself. Then now we can look from the exterior for the another example, for the another design alternative from my prompt in AI. I like this design because of the roof design. It's not usual, same as a previous design, but this roof can be make us impressive because of the shape like this, with unconventional shape, with semi-flat inclination about the roof, and it has some little bit window opening and window on the skylight area or on the top of the roof. Okay, I mean it was great also. Then I like this interior. I'm very like this interior because this interior style is simple but it looks sweet. I mean it's just my opinion. I mean this interior it looks so sweet and iconic and not bored, not boring, not boring interior. I mean because of it just put the one object, which is this that object is the door with a glass panel on the middle or on the center with the curve panel on the middle, and the color of the door is using the green vintage like this. I mean it's enough and make me impress and make me feel better. It's not boring area. I mean it was great. And same like this, it using the just 50-50 combination between the wood material on the interior and the green color on the cabinet and on the little bit of the wall element to make the balance composition material with of this interior. So this interior is not make us monotone, and the interior could bring the another vibes with could give the different vibes itself. So the user and the builder can satisfied from this color arrangement and cabinet. Then this is the last combination, the last design alternative from my AI prompt. Then I like the combination not only soft green but it give the green, old green or dark green color on the door itself, as we can look from this. And I mean it just was great color combination and color variation itself. Okay, thanks for watching of this video. I hope it will give the benefit to all of you, and don't forget to wait for my next video. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Thank you.